July 19, 2022 is a Tuesday. Welcome to your daily weather for the great city of Chicago. Dress for heat. The temperature today should reach up to 87 degrees Fahrenheit and down to 69 degrees Fahrenheit. Bring plenty of water out today, because humidity is at 51%. You can expect no rain and no snow today. Not many clouds. We've got moderate wind at about 13 miles per hour. Tomorrow is going to be hot with light rain. Thursday is going to be hot with clear sky. Friday is going to be hot with light rain. Saturday is going to be hot with light rain. Sunday is going to be warm with heavy intensity rain. No weather alerts at the moment. And now for the news. Warning: some news stories can be disturbing or offensive. Stories are provided by various sources. For our next story, Billy Corgan announces virtual concert to benefit Highland Park shooting victims. Billy Corgan has announced a livestream benefit concert to raise money for the victims of the July 4 mass shooting in Highland Park, Illinois. Wow, I have no opinion at all, but. Transcript, Representative Adam Kinzinger on Face the Nation. The following is a transcript of an interview with Republican Representative Adam Kinzinger of Illinois that aired Sunday, July 17, 2022, on Face the Nation. In other Illinois news, Kinzinger says next January 6 hearing will open people's eyes in a big way. Washington Representative Adam Kinzinger, a member of the House Select Committee investigating the January 6 assault on the U.S. In other Illinois news, man fires 18 shots into restaurant and hits customer in head, Illinois officials say. A Bulldog Ale House customer got into an argument with a restaurant employee and before leaving, he fired 18 shots into the pub chain, authorities in Illinois said. In other Illinois news, Jay Duplass doesn't want to be a Coen brother anymore. Jay Duplass is a busy man. Next up, 2022 MLB Mock Draft v6.1 Baseball America. Notes: total bonus pool, $16,924,000. Pick slot value, $8,842,200. Earlier this week I heard the Orioles were down to 5 names they were debating for the first overall pick. Next up, Bat Auction, 18K Mile 1992 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. This 1992 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe is powered by a 5.7-liter LT1 V8 paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission and is finished in Arctic white over red leather. That's it, Illinois. Have a good one. To help support improvement of our show, please click subscribe. See description for sources. This content contains information from OpenWeather (TM) API, which is made available here under the Open Database License (ODBL).